everyone, today I would like to talk about vegan meatballs. Vegan meatballs have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. These meatballs are not only delicious, but they are also easy to make and come in a variety of flavors. The history of vegan meatballs dates back to the 19th century, when Italian immigrants began making meatballs without using any animal products. The first vegan meatball recipe was published in a 1905 cookbook by an Italian-American family. Today, vegan meatballs are made with plant-based ingredients, such as radish potatoes, peas, carrots, and mushrooms. They are then shaped into meatballs and cooked in a tomato-based sauce. Vegan meatballs can be served in a pasta dish or as an appetizer with a side of pasta. The taste of vegan meatballs is similar to that of traditional meatballs. They are soft, chewy, and have a rich, savory flavor. Vegan meatballs can be served with a variety of sauces, such as tomato-based, spicy, or creamy. They are also perfect for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. In conclusion, vegan meatballs are a delicious and easy-to-make alternative to traditional meatballs. They are not only vegan, but also come in a variety of flavors and can be customized to suit your taste. So, the next time you are looking for a quick and easy vegan meatballs, try. Thank you for listening.